Hey guys, today I'm doing an at-home DIY hydration mask. I've been in the sun all day today. I was on the beach, had a fun beach day, but my skin feels very dry and I'm in lots of need of hydration. I've also recently developed stress eczema, which is never fun, and I typically get it around my eyes. The thing that helps it the most is hydration, and of course, I'm not a dermatologist. I'm not trying to cure eczema, so don't hold me accountable if anything goes wrong with your eczema and you try this. But I'm going to try it on me, my eczema, and let you know what the end result is. First off, the ingredients. They're super simple, super easy recipe. It's 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of Greek yogurt. And the turmeric is great because it's an anti-inflammatory and it helps reduce redness and skin irritation, which is great because I typically get a little pink around my nose, regardless if I'm in the sun or not. I just have sensitive skin. And the honey is great because it's an antimicrobial, which is great for helping with acne. And then for the Greek yogurt, it acts as a lactic acid. So it's really good for a gentle exfoliation, helps against acne, and just really gives a glow. It also has a low water content, so it's thick and it's easier to make as a mask and apply. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so in goes the honey. And I accidentally dropped some, of course. I'm very professional over here. I recommend mixing the honey and the yogurt first to create that base, and then adding the turmeric. And I know what a lot of you may be thinking, oh my God, that turmeric is going to stain that skin. But actually, the Greek yogurt helps against staining. And since it's such a small amount of turmeric, there shouldn't be much staining, but what do I know? Let's see. Hope not. Please don't stain my face. The consistency looks good and thick. I don't know if you can see the eczema. It's literally right here, right there, and all around my eyes. Okay, let's do this. So I have the mask right here. Kind of looks like umi. Whoa. I recommend doing it over the sink. It like balls up a little bit. So far, it feels really nice on the skin. It feels very cool and refreshing. And I'm not sure if this is safe to put on my eyes, to be completely honest, but I'm gonna try it out and let you guys know. I'll be the guinea pig. Okay, it's burning a little bit. Not my eyeball, but like my eczema. Okay. So it's on, and I still have quite a bit left. I still have a big clump left, and that goes a long way. I'm gonna let this dry and soak in for about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it off. Okay, so it's now been 20 minutes. As you can see, it has dried. And I'm just going to rinse off with cold water. Whoa. And I was really worried about it staining my skin, because you never know, you can't trust anyone these days. But it doesn't seem to be that way, which is great. Wow, it does look better on my eczema, I have to say. It's crazy. Okay, so I just took it off with wet washcloths. Little tip, when you're taking it off with a washcloth, don't use washcloths that you give a shit about, because I just basically did a tie-dye. And there's a few areas that look a little yellow. It's mainly around my hairline, which is a little alarming. I'm gonna try to wash it off now with cold water. I will say that my skin feels so soft, like baby skin. But I will say that my skin feels tight, as if it feels like I need a lot of moisturizer. And my eczema spots look significantly better. My skin just feels tight, so I think I'm going to follow up after I rinse one more time with cold water. I'm gonna follow it with a moisturizer, but for the most part, didn't stain. skin feels great, and eczema looks a little better. As you can see, it's really the only place where I see staining. It's around my hairline, but everywhere else is fine. So I recommend that if you're doing this mask, don't go as close to the hairline as I did. I'm gonna wash with soap and try that. I'm gonna use this 111 Skin Cryo Pre-Activated Toning Cleanser and see if that gets the yellow out. Woo! The yellowness around my hairline came off quite easily. Just need face wash. And as I said, if you're going to do this, just don't get as close to the hairline and you won't have to scrub as hard. But yeah, I'm gonna put some moisturizer on now. And the one I'm going to use is La Mer, of course, the best. And I have to say, I feel very hydrated. My skin feels refreshed. And yeah, let me know if you guys try this, what your thoughts are. And thanks for tuning in.